So guys, today I'm gonna show you three solutions in order for you to fix this issue. So for the first solution, just make sure you have the latest version of the app. So just go to your Google Play Store, and then from here, just search for Hatch Sleep. And guys, when Hatch Sleep has an update, you should be able to update it over here, and then from there, you will be running the latest version of the app. So guys, for the second solution, just go to the settings, and then on the settings, just go to the apps, and over here, just scroll down and find Hatch Sleep. And then from here, tap on storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then from there, you'll be able to fix the issue on Hatch Sleep. And guys, for the third solution, all you have to do is reinstall the application on your device. Uninstall the app, and then once you uninstall it on your device, you go ahead and go back to the Google Play Store and now install it again from your device, and then from there you'll be able to access Hatch Sleep without any having issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.